Bloom color is red. Main bloom time, early spring, late spring, mid-spring. Form, rounded, upright or erect, vase. Acer palmatum is a deciduous tree growing to 8 meters by 6 meters at a slow rate. It is hardy to zone 5 and is not frost tender. It is in flower from May to June. The species is monoecious, suitable for light, medium and heavy soils. Prefers well-drained soil and can grow in heavy clay soil. Suitable pH, acid, neutral and basic soils and can grow in very acid soils. It can grow in semi-shade or no shade. It prefers moist soil. Edible parts are leaves sap. The sap contains a certain amount of sugar and can either be used as a drink or can be concentrated into a syrup by boiling off the water. The syrup is used as a sweetener on many foods. The concentration of sugar is considerably lower than in the sugar maples. The tree trunk is tapped in the early spring. The sap flowing better on warm sunny days following a frost. The best sap production comes from cold winter areas with continental climates. Leaves cooked. We have eaten nicer leaves. Preservative. The leaves are packed around apples, root crops, etc. to help preserve the moisture. Landscape uses: border, pest tolerant, rock garden, standard, specimen, woodland garden. Of easy cultivation, it succeeds in most soils, preferring a good, most well-drained soil on the acid side and partial shade. Grows well in heavy clay soils. Chlorosis can sometimes develop as a result of iron deficiency when the plants are grown in alkaline soils, but in general maples are not fussy as to soil pH. Requires some shelter in the cooler areas of Britain and protection from cold drying winds. Plants are hardy to about -25 degrees C, but spring growth is subject to damage by late frosts. A very ornamental tree, it is a polymorphic species and there are many named varieties. Grows well with rhododendrons. Most maples are bad companion plants, inhibiting the growth of nearby plants. Special features: attractive foliage, not North American native, inconspicuous flowers or blooms.